Hey, I want to show you this pull start fire maker. Down here we call them jerk start. There's no matches, no kindling, lights, wet wood, windproof, rainproof, burns for 30 minutes. They say that's a tall order in my book. What they don't tell you is what happens when you yank the cord. Stick around, this is going to be good. So today I'm going to be using my Canway gasifier stove to put this in. I'm going to try to just cook my meal on nothing but this. That's the plan. Okay, so I took the wrapper off. There's a red string to unfold like this. And then you pull this tab right here. There we go. Put that over there. And then you unfold this green one, or they say tie it to a log or loop it around a log. And this is going to be the jerk start right here, as I call it. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to hold this one. Here goes. Holy moly. The first time I snapped one of those, I jumped, man. I was not expecting a firecracker to go off on that thing. But today, I'm going to let this burn. I may need a little extra fuel, but I'm going to attempt to let this burn down just a little bit. And then I'm going to start making some coffee and maybe try to cook something. Let's see if we have that 30-minute burn time that they talked about on the package. Okay, as far as I can tell, that has already started gasifying. And the top. Okay, so you see how it's sooting up. I suspect there's some wax in there, obviously, because it's sooting up big time. This may be the world's most expensive match. It's coffee. It's not bad. It says Coffee Booster. Fixes boring coffee. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's peppermint. So Santa gave me some peppermint. If it fixes boring coffee, just give it a chance. Yeah, that's real good. It's real good. If you like peppermint in your coffee. That's burning, but it's just about burned up in my opinion. I don't see anything that says that's going to go for 30 minutes. Burn time was 13 minutes. So I went and found some standing cane grass, small twigs from a branch, and some larger limbs to finish my cooking. A touch of maple syrup. It's gasifying. Took a while for that wet wood to build up the coals that I needed, and then to just lay kind of low down in there and just have a gentle fire on it, not the raging thing that I cooked the or boiled the water on. It looks done to me. In my itty bitty little skillet, which I'm going to just let that do a keep warm while I tend to this for a moment. Pretty good. That's some leftover Christmas ham. That maple is really nice. So if you want to try the world's most expensive match to light your fire with, I think it lights regular fires just fine. Matter of fact, I've tried it on other fires and it does light them up well. If you're not dealing with wet wood, I think that's a bit of a fallacy. If wet wood has to become dry wood before it's going to burn, and I don't think that little block is going to do much good unless you have some kindling or something to work with. So if you want to try something new for starting fires, get you one of those jerk start fire starters. Holy moly. And have some fun. Pop a firecracker. This is Mike from Mike's Wild World. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Mercy. A little bit of butter. a little bit of maple, a little bit of ham. I mean, I got it. I might as well eat it, right? That's what I'm saying.
Like and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment. It's a wild world, so get out there, and thanks for watching.